Hi, my name is Diana, the Dummy Cook, and here we have our second episode of the Thermomix animated cartoon videos. Today we have a college kid who is very happy because she can make homemade meals in her apartment-style dorm. This story is actually inspired by true events. My oldest daughter helps me with these cartoons, and this is basically her story. Let's watch it.
Hi, I'm Nora. I'm your average college student living away from home without her parents, spending most of her time wrapped up in her studies. I get a lot done on campus, and I'm sometimes lucky enough to grab a snack from my library Starbucks or my cafeteria. Don't get me wrong, my cafeteria food is great, but last week Caleb found a hair in his spaghetti, Bailey found a bug in her salad, and don't get me started on my roommate Sandy, who's allergic to gluten and gets hives every time she eats from the gluten-free section of the caf, which by the way only ever has 2 choices. Yeah, lots of cross-contamination here and not enough dietary restriction-friendly food choices. And sometimes when I have classes that go late at night and the cafeteria is closed, I'm left with very few options of where I can eat on campus. And usually that means I have to rely on ordering fast food or finding a frozen snack for dinner. Anyway, sometimes I just want to get home to my dorm, put on a show, and have a taste of my favorite comfort foods from home. I don't know what I would do without my Thermomix. My roommate no longer has to worry about being allergic to the shady ingredients in her food because she and I can cook great meals right here in our apartment together. Plus, it gives me an excuse to invite everyone from my floor or my favorite classes when I want to cook dinner. It sure beats spending money on restaurants and fast foods and crazy priced campus meal plans. Don't you want one in your apartment too?
So cute, right? If you have a kid in college or about to have one, check and see what appliances they can have in their dorm. Some first-year dorms don't allow even a toaster, but others allow flameless cookers, and the Thermomix will be the perfect all-in-one solution. They don't have to do huge meals. They can use it to boil an egg, prepare tea or coffee in the morning, make a quick pasta, or they can make soups, stews, chicken, rice, or pizza for the whole block if they want. It's up to them and their situation. For example, if there's a big fridge for ingredients or leftovers, they might cook a lot, but if there isn't, it will be a little bit more limited. When thinking about investing on a Thermomix for a college kid, remember that Thermomix will be a long-term investment. The reason today might be college, but when they finish their studies, they will still have this amazing German-made product that will continue cooking for them and eventually maybe their young family. I'm in the parents' chat of my daughter's college, and I see many parents stressing about their kids' well-being. Some hire a homemade meal service that delivers once a week so their kids get at least a good meal every so often. Others worry about getting their kids a care package when they're frustrated, sad, missing home, or just busy with exams. So I see them spending a fortune on chocolate-covered strawberries, special cookies, etc. My daughter tells me that when she's stressed, she chooses a cool long baking recipe, and the process is therapeutic for her. So it might be for you or not, but do you have any questions about this? I'm not just a Thermomix expert. With a kid in college and another one leaving in 2 months, I feel like I can help brainstorm a little. So fire away, please email me. Let's get on a call and I'll answer any questions you may have. If you end up interested in a Thermomix, yeah, I can give you a free demo and free shipping and tons of tips and advice. We'll see. But let's just get started with a call. Contact me today. Thank you.